name's Sarah Coggins and I'm the Conservation Engineer at the Mary Rose Museum. And my job is to work a lot on looking after the hull of the Mary Rose. So this big space where the hull is has got a really complicated air conditioning system which controls the temperature and the humidity in here, and we keep a very close eye on those conditions using small monitors like this that are dotted all around the ship, and they record the temperature and the humidity in different parts of the ship and make sure they're at the right levels. So one way we monitor the movement of the ship is using a total station. This one's installed and it stays in here permanently. It's a tool that's used by surveyors normally, and it sends a laser to different points around the ship and it measures the distance to those points, and then we can see if the distance changes, and that means that something has been moving, and it measures that 3 times a day. We have 440 small crack markers across the whole of the ship, and then we have 30 avant-garde telltales, which are crack markers that are used on buildings as well. And the crack markers that we have 440 of are like this little tiny flag here, and then we take a measurement between the 2 flags. We do that once a year, and then the measurement is compared every year to the previous year so we can see how much they've moved. So dust poses a risk to historic objects. When dust falls on a surface, it can become stuck to that surface, and also it can attract things like pests and moisture and cause damage to the surface over time. And now that we have the walkway at the top of the museum open to visitors, it means that dust falls directly onto the ship, and that means that we need to give it a clean regularly. And to clean the Mary Rose, we often have to use the crane to get up really high. We always start at the top and work our way down. So in 2022 we cleaned the ship from top to bottom, and we removed 2.9 kilos of dust from the hull.